He's telling the truth.
It's Sunday. Welcome and happy Sunday to you all. If you're new over here, I am Amanda. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, let's see what's going on in the kitchen. This is Sunday morning breakfast. Lovely ackee with breadfruit.
He's telling the truth. I'd like to talk to him about this
Strap.
dragon.
It's a dragon.
It's been a while since I took one of these.
I'm not interested in your opinion because you are not in full possession of the facts. This man is a convicted multiple murderer known for
Good old
particularly brutal
probiotics.
crimes. Isn't
I
that right, Mr.
definitely
Dillon?
recommend. Yeah, I recommend
That's
this.
right.
So chopped mango, pineapple, juice is being made. Smells good. Sure, you may ask, so sure. Very mutton. the mutton pot. Oh, and the hot man. Alright, so very steam. Chicken. Alright. Curry mutton with Irish is ready. Nice. Chicken for the rice pot. Alright. So Sunday dinner is ready, chat. How is it looking? Comment below. Let me know. Miss Chin Sunday dinner. Chat, so them for some pot, so I'm gonna serve that. So I'm gonna show my dinner. As much juice in the throat. I'm not even sure if juice is left for me. Alright, so let us share. What's up, looks at that? I'm gonna fix the light. There we go. There we go. Oh. What is scan? Take a gravy. This is the small spoon chats. So we moving on up. So this is it. This is dinner. Taste it. Taste it right from the spot. Nah, I just want a piece of pear. I know Miss Pear lover. So then a pear season, yes. I swear, but this is somebody that sell pear or something. I'm gonna put some juice, if any left. Let me go check. Make coffee in the morning. I said a sense. Yeah. It's not even sexy. We get 2 little peas. good. So good. So we moving on. So chat, how y'all doing in this El Nino weather? Damn. Everybody's sweating, drinking water. Woo! Trying to keep cool in, oh boy, weather. The only good thing about this heat, when you wash and pin out, by the time you have to say Mississippi, the clothes them dry. Whew, right now the place hot. The breeze now blow. So comment below, let me know how you're doing in the El Nino weather. Ay ay ay. Summer. So for the people who don't like drink water, they better start drink water. Oh, can eat stroke kind of nice something. So, and if you live near river, kudos to you. For those of us who don't live near river, more well we have to charter a taxi. I go river with a friend just cool down, but we can't do that every day. So the near river for give thanks. I just step out to your yard, go down at the river, keep cool. If you use alternative fan, AC, or we have to be sitting outside or something. But y'all need to keep cool. This too shall pass. Watch me ear. Well, new hairstyle incoming. When? Soon. Just have met me here breeze, because I had it buried for a little bit, so I have to go and breeze the ear. Dooba dooba doo.